I needed that good old Tim Hortons.
Me too.
So, holidays are done, eh?
Yeah,
Pretty crazy time.
this rough.
It was.
A little bit of disappointment with
no.
Jacob.
Oh my god, what a shame.
Yeah, he made a list, and he put that he wanted all the Apple products. And this is what his grandmother sent him.
Oh wow, apples
And dried
apple
apples.
fruit crisps.
Yeah.
Well, they are apple
I
products.
drank the apple juice and ate the apple sauce. So yeah, I was surprised he didn't ask for an iPad.
Me too.
Yeah. So I mean,
Or
got an apple.
an iPhone. That's what all the kids are asking for.
Oh, I know. He's disappointed because he didn't get an apple pie.
Maybe that's the case. Right?
So speaking of kids, how was little JP?
Really well. Actually, he's 5.5 months now. So.
Wow,
Time's going quickly.
So did he apply for college yet, or
not yet.
ran a marathon?
No.
No. A little bit lazy, huh?
Not really. Not even really walking yet, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awkward.
Boys' birthdays are coming up.
Yeah, that's exciting. Yeah. Isn't Jacob's birthday next?
Yes.
Yeah. So, has he made some kind of list or something to let you know what he
Actually,
wants?
yes. I'm glad you asked me that. He
Yeah.
actually made this really cool list.
Wow.
It's backwards here, I know.
Very colorful.
But
very clear.
He said he wanted to put it down in pictures so that we would know exactly what
that
he
on the
wants
list?
this time.
Is that an apple product?
I guess. I imagine. I'll probably get him some more apples.
Okay.
Okay, so this
But
this
you
way
know what?
we, yeah.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
I was gonna
Go
say this
ahead.
way we know exactly what he wants. No more
Yeah.
disappointments.
You know what that list reminds me of?
What?
A vision board.
Ah,
vision board.
yeah, I guess
You know
you're
what I
right.
mean?
Yeah, it is kind of like a vision board.
Yeah. So, hi, my name's Cara.
And I'm Lori, and together we are
AB Positive. So today we want to talk about something that's fun and creative tool that can be used to manifest wonderful things in a person's life. This thing, or this tool, is called a vision board. Lori, do you want to explain what a vision board is?
Yes, Kara, I'd love to.
Oh, wonderful.
A vision board is a visual representation of your ideal life. The key word is visual. Think of seeing is believing, or a picture is worth 1,000 words.
Exactly. Cool. Just like this birthday list. So,
Okay, but we're gonna put the words, how do you make one? Okay, and then, so now
so I don't have to ask the question?
No.
Okay.
That's okay if you did it with one.
Okay, so what you do is you start by gathering. Okay, so what you do is you start by gathering a series of items that show the universe exactly what you want in your life. So you can cut pictures and words from magazines or newspapers. You can find things online. You can travel brochures, photos, stickers, scrapbook items, stamps, things you have around the house. You can be very creative with this. It's something that should have an important meaning to you and something you want to see in your life.
So, okay, so what do I do with my vision board once I've made it?
Well, it's quite easy. What you do is you enjoy it, look at it, feel good about it, express gratitude for the things that are on that list as if you already have them. It's actually a very fulfilling feeling when you do this. Express that gratitude.
So I try to feel happy and satisfied and basically gracious and a lot of positive feelings. Try to feel how I would feel if I actually had those things.
Yeah, it's that simple. So, one example is when I'm on the treadmill and I feel I'm hot, I'm tired, I want to stop, and all I do is I look at my picture of myself when I'm
You could just say
a model.
a fitness model.
Okay.
So,
One example is when I'm on the treadmill and I know I have these goals of how I want to look. So I'm on the treadmill, I'm hot, I'm tired, I want to stop, but instead I look at the picture that I have that's right in front of me of a fitness model who embodies the look and health of my ideal body. So that keeps me motivated.
okay, or kind of like when I go on Pinterest and I pin all my favorite outfits or all my favorite items of clothing that I would love in my dream closet, my ideal closet.
Or when I used to write my name with my crush, the guy that I was going to marry. So it was Cara plus Antonio Salvato Jr. forever. Like
Cara
forever.
Salvato Jr.
That's the good tree, right? Okay, so when I make my vision board, I can use many different mediums, but one thing that is very common is to use a canvas or a Bristol board.
Or you can, there's some apps out there which help you put together, it may not be called a vision board, it could be called a visual future, it could be called a dream board. There's lots of different names for these things, or you could just use one of those digital collage programs.
Right.
I use Pic Collage, I really like that one. It allows you to bring in pictures from the internet or pictures that you've taken and put them all together with little stickers and titles. It's really cool. And that's a perfect way to have your vision board right on your phone and you can look at it, or even on your computer, on your desktop, wherever you have it.
Right. Or you can use maybe you can use more words. Like you can make a word cloud or a collage of words of things that you like.
True. You could use, I mean, we've already said it, but I think we said we could use a bulletin board.
Yeah. Like an actual bulletin board, where you can create a mind map by hand or digitally, right?
Okay. Or even you could use a box with a lid, and you could put all the items that would go inside of your ideal future. So movie stubs, tickets for airplanes. Maybe if you haven't done these things before, maybe a certain cruise you want to go on, you can print out information or get pamphlets from the cruise. I love going to the flight center and getting cruise pamphlets of all the Mediterranean cruise I really want to go on.
That's a little more tactile. You can actually touch the things and feel that you're actually experiencing it. That's exciting. So there are many ways to create a vision board, right? It's virtually endless, the different possibilities, right?
Well, what we want you to do is not worry so much about the how or the what, but just go for it. Just do it. Whatever feels right, just start putting it together. So we're going to show you some of our creations.
Okay, so here, this is a vision board that I made. I actually made this a few years ago, and some of the things have come true. Okay, so here's a depiction of love, romantic relationship. So I wanted to apply that to my own romantic life. So positive, trip for two, dogs, babies, had my baby. Is that exciting?
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Manifest.
So you can see here that I guess the next step for me would be a big home, or like fix my home. Okay, so how about you, Lori? Do you want to show yours?
Mine's a little bit more three-dimensional, I guess you could say, and I've been making this for about 10 years, and it has changed, okay? So I'm also a teacher, a high school teacher, and I made the assignment one time for my students in a psychology class to make their own vision board, and of course some of them looked at me like, oh, that's pie in the sky. And for them, it might be. If you don't believe, it doesn't work as well, right? But anyways, for me, it's not pie in the sky, it's apple pie. I love this. Okay, so I have a few things I'll just show you quickly. I like to be a mom with my 2 little kids, and I have 2 little kids. And this is my ideal car. I do not have an Escalade. I will throw that out there. Cadillac, if you're watching, I would like one. I have here Legoland, and I've been to Legoland. I went there this past summer. It's really, sorry, not summer, just over the Christmas holidays. I have all my other little Disney things. I have my house on, what's it called? The Castles on King. It's a subdivision of houses that are $1 million houses. And I mean, a lot of houses are $1 million houses now with our market, but they're beautiful. And we went to look at one, actually, my husband and I, a few years back, and they're the closet is bigger than my kitchen right now. So yeah, that might be in the a little more distant future. That's okay. And then we have more things like great ideas. We have a picture of my dad, a picture of the Dyson that I would like, a picture of the hair color. I think I have almost that hair color now. And there's like stop the stigma from mental health. There's lots of things that I'm trying to manifest, and a lot of things I've done. Like I've been on 4 cruises now. Okay, so this I put after I went on my first cruise on my honeymoon, and I just want to manifest more. I love going on cruises. It's one of the things that make life worth living. Okay, so we also have a little baby John Paul did a little vision board for him. I
So yeah, when he made this, he saw that Mommy and Auntie had made vision boards that had a lot of photos and pictures. So he actually used a lot of words. So you can see here a lot of things about family. Family is where our story begins. And you know what? He made my story begin too. The most important thing that a father can do for his children is love their mothers. You know, I helped him pick that one out. Kind of, you know,
it's a little bit
tailored. I agree with it, right? So yeah, so there's a lot of, I also tried to use his favorite color, red. I think that's his favorite color. It's my favorite color and his father's favorite color, so obviously how. Right, what do you think?
Red is great. It's the color of a Tim Hortons cup.
Passion and happiness, lots of red around us, you can see. Okay, so that's Jean Paul's vision board. It's smaller, but it does the trick. Okay.
Okay, and then last but not least,
we'd like to see some of your vision boards. So if you made a digital one or a physical one, you know, take a picture of it. We'd like you to show us what you're going to manifest in your life or what you've started to manifest in your life. So
yeah, don't be shy. Put them out into the universe. And we hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope that it taught you something and showed you how to do this. And you know, don't be shy to leave any comments, questions, to, you know, click like and subscribe as well. That might be nice.
And check out our blog.
And we'll leave you the details of the blog and how to contact us in the comments below. Okay, and be positive.
To see if I manifest the I want. So on my vision board, you can see my future life. You got my future wife, Kim Kardashian, most beautiful woman ever. You got some otters. They're going to attend our wedding. And also, I like otters. I want some friends who are otters. And then you can see my house. My future house is made of bricks. Not hay or sticks, because bricks are strong, right? Guys, you gotta have the best. And then I also have 2 puppies, because we're gonna have 2 puppies. Me and Kim are gonna have 2 puppies. And also, you can see the 3 pigs, my heroes. That's where I got my first acting jobs. That's probably why you recognize me. And then you can finally, there's also ice cream. Because I'm going to eat a lot of ice cream in the future. Okay, well, that's about all the times that I have today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to manifest all the wonderful things in your life with a vision board. And be positive. Bye-bye. See you next time. Like and subscribe.